Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. You might see the metaverse as a collection of interconnected virtual worlds similar to the internet but accessible through virtual reality. And this is mostly right. But the metaverse also has a key, albeit very mysterious aspect that will distinguish it from today's internet. And that's the blockchain. Web 1.0 was the information superhighway of connected computers and servers that you could search, explore, and inhabit, usually through the platform of a centralized firm like AOL, Yahoo, Microsoft, and Google. Web 2.0 is defined by social networking sites, blogging, and monetizing user data for advertising by centralized gatekeepers to free social media platforms like Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. In today's video, we're going to look at the importance of blockchain for a metaverse to exist. As always, if you find this topic interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comments section down below. Now let's jump into it. Now the first important aspect that blockchain brings to the metaverse is owning assets. Blockchain is a technology that creates a permanent record of transactions in a decentralized and public ledger. The most well-known blockchain-based cryptocurrency, of course, is Bitcoin. And when you buy a Bitcoin, for example, the transaction is recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain, which means the information is spread to thousands of computers around the world. It's exceedingly tough to deceive or manipulate this dispersed recording system. In contrast to traditional banking records, public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are transparent. All transactions are visible to anybody on the internet. And then there are smart contracts, which are blockchain-based software routines that run automatically when certain conditions are satisfied. For example, you could use a smart contract on the blockchain to establish your ownership of a digital asset, like a piece of art or music. No one else can claim it, even if they save a copy to their computer. So on a blockchain, non-fungible tokens include things that are one of a kind. So again, like artwork or music. You might use a smart contract to declare that you're willing to sell a digital painting for $1 million in Ether. When I click yes, the artwork and Ether are automatically transferred to us on the blockchain. There's no need for a bank or third-party escrow. If either of us disagreed about the transaction, say if you claimed I only paid $999,000, then the other could quickly point to the digital record on the distributed ledger. So what does the metaverse have to do with blockchain crypto assets? Everything. To begin, you can use blockchain to possess digital assets in a virtual environment. The metaverse isn't being constructed by a single organization or corporation. Separate organizations will create different virtual worlds, eventually interconnecting to form the metaverse. People will want to bring their belongings with them when they move between virtual worlds, like Decentraland's and Microsoft's. The blockchain will confirm proof of ownership of your digital items in both virtual worlds if the two virtual worlds are interoperable. So essentially, you'll be able to access your crypto assets as long as you can access your crypto wallet within a virtual environment. And that leads us to the second important aspect of blockchain in the metaverse, and that's having a digital wallet. So what are you going to keep in your crypto wallet? In the metaverse, you'll definitely want to carry cryptocurrencies, your metaverse-only digital items, including avatars, avatar apparel, avatar animations, virtual decorations, and weaponry will be stored in your crypto wallet. So what are people going to do with their crypto wallets? Well, shop. Traditional digital items like music, movies, games, and apps will be available for purchase just as they are on the current internet. You'll be able to buy physical world products in the metaverse, as well as examine and hold 3D versions of what you're buying, which could help you make better decisions. Also, just like you carry your ID in your old leather wallet, crypto wallets can be linked to your real-world identities. And these can make transactions that require legal verification much easier, like buying a real-world car or home. You won't have to remember login credentials for all of the websites and virtual worlds that you visit because your ID will be linked to your wallet. Connect your wallet with a click and you'll be signed in. ID-linked wallets will also be handy for regulating access to sections of the metaverse that are restricted to people of a certain age. Your crypto wallet might also be linked to your contacts list. And this can allow you to transfer your social network data from one virtual world to the next. And then there's the metaverse business models. Of course, businesses will want to participate if the metaverse is worth money. Although the decentralized structure of blockchain may lessen the need for gatekeepers in financial transactions, businesses will still have several revenue-generating opportunities, perhaps even more than in contemporary economies. Large platforms will be provided by companies like Meta, where people will work, play, and socialize. Dolce & Gabbana, Coca-Cola, Adidas, and Nike are among the major companies that have entered the NFT market. When you buy a real-world item from a corporation in the future, you could also get a related NFT in the metaverse. So when you buy a name brand suit to go to a real-world event, you can also become the owner of the crypto version of the same suit. So your avatar could wear the same suit in a virtual event. You could also decide to sell the NFT version for someone else's avatar to wear, just like you could sell the physical clothing secondhand if you wanted to as well. These are only a few of the many ways that metaverse business models will likely intersect with real-world business structures. As augmented reality technology becomes more prevalent, we'll see examples get more complicated, further combining features of the metaverse with the physical world. Although the metaverse as a whole hasn't arrived yet, technological foundations such as blockchain and crypto assets are rapidly being built, laying the groundwork for a seemingly ubiquitous virtual future that will eventually arrive at a verse near you. So there we have it, a look at the importance of blockchain for a metaverse to exist. Once again, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.